So I'm Matt Day and I'm doing the Special Effects Apprenticeship with Real SFX. So I'm from Gloucester, originally in England. I like films, I like music, I rock climb. That's about it really, I'm quite plain I think. Before I started this apprenticeship I was working in a workshop in Gloucester making cables. So it was a good opportunity that I just sort of stumbled across. I've always been interested in special effects and stuff, and I just sort of I was doom scrolling on LinkedIn, and the link to the application form showed up, and I thought I'd give it a go. Wow, so far I've learned 3 words in Welsh, so aim for another 3 really, can I? Body da, I'll count that as 2, and diolch. So now I just sort of want to learn more about what it is I'm going to be doing, sort of how to do things, more Welsh maybe, if I need it. Yeah, just sort of want to learn what I want to do with myself really. Sort of one of the reasons I'm here, just to find out if this is actually what I want to do, which I think it is, for that as well. Well, for the next 12 months, hopefully, I'll be doing something I actually enjoy, which is nice. I'd quite like to be, you know, in a job where I'm excited to go to work, or that I just don't actively hate, really. Yeah, and then way down the line, I might get to blow some stuff up. So. Yeah, can we put that in, or is that like watch list material? Yeah, no, I'd like to hopefully have a job at the end of it all, but I want to learn. I like learning new things. I like the idea of being able to say, yeah, I did that. And yeah, it just seems like a cool thing to have done, and hopefully it's, you know, useful for my career.